Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos to Shopify product pages. So, you're going to head over the admin dashboard of your Shopify store, and then what are we going to do is to head over the online store under the sales channels. We're going to click on it, select the theme, and from here, we're going to click on customize. Basically, we're going to open up the Shopify store builder. And now what are we going to do is to head over the product page. So we are going to click at the home button or the home page at the top. And from here we have this drop down menu. We're going to select product. So here we are going to see the default template. If you have multiple templates, please choose your convenient template that you want to add the video to it. So I'm going to click on here, and then we're going to get this specific area. So we have the header, the template, and the footer. Now the composing rather of the template is going to be here, or the composings. So we are going basically to add either a block or we can add a section. And that section is going to be something like that. So you are going to click on video. For example, you can go ahead and add a video like this and put this video like that, upload or select your video from your file, upload a video or any type of video like this. This is just an example. And this is by the way, the first method. We are going to wait for the video. And what do we have? The trial or the format is not supported by the free trial of ours, so it doesn't matter. This is the section of the video. You can do that, or you can go ahead and leave that page and head over the products. And from here, we are going to select the product page, as you can see, or the product components. Now, what are we going to do is to select the description, and this is the second method. And now we are going to see here a menu for that description. We can either edit or insert a link, insert an image, or insert a video. Click on insert a video, and then you are going to insert it as an iframe. So we are going to insert a video by pasting the embed snippet in the box below. So the embed snippet usually starts with iframe. So you are going to get an iframe from here, create it, and put up the video. So basically I have a YouTube channel that I have set up or associated the content with it. So this is my video. As you can see, this is the name of mine. Now, what are we going to do is to get the iframe right there embedded code. How we can do that on YouTube, it is very simple. I think also on Vimeo, it is going to be the same thing. You're going to click on the share button of the video, and you're going to share it as embed. You're going to get here this specific, as you can see, embed video, iframe, width, and height. You can go ahead and modify the width and height. Also, we have the link video, the full screen, and you can go ahead and see some embed options like showing the player control, enable the privacy, enhanced mode, and etc. If you have set up everything, you're going to copy that code and head over here, click on the video again, paste it here, and insert the video. And you're going to see right there the description of that video into the or the video in the description. You click on save, and then you are going to click on preview. You're going to see the video pop in right there on the description section. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.